What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J Bone, man. We got Matuê, old song. Y'all know this is the song from the album. Let's get right into it, man. Matuê, my dog. Let's do it. I knew videos was coming. That's why I'm not even really surprised. But I am happy he dropped. Alright. My boy in the party. Yes, it's this song. It's one of my favorite songs off the track. Hands down. 3. He drowned in the pool of his blood right there. Yep. That boy floated. I ain't think the video would be like this though. Okay. Okay. Yep. But then again, I don't know what Osan would like translate in English. Get that translated in English, I wonder what Osan mean. Because then that would explain, you know what I'm saying, why the video like this. Because the video probably go with the song, tell you. That's fire. But who we got? I see where you're going. I see where you're going. Longest runs ever. God dang. All that just to get to the door? The world. They all threes. I like the video. The video hard. Oh, I like how you did this. My guy's going so far. That's hard. It's different. He coming different. That's fire. How you doing that? That's cool. I like that.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers.
Not capping. Hear me. Power all around the city, just power. probably top 3 on the album. I think I said that when I did review the album for y'all. I think I said it's top 3. This is my top 3 off that album. He did his big one on this song. It's different. Y'all hear the way this sounded? This not how other Brazil rappers sound. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say Matuê is number 1. He's different. But then again, you got competition because Teto. We can't forget about Teto. Teto up there too. Teto up there too. Wii U up there. I still feel like they did big 3 though. You got Wii U, Teto, and you got my boy Matuê. They probably top 3. It's other Brazil rappers I still gotta check out though. You know what I'm saying? So I can't just go out here saying like, oh, he the best. He is one of the best though. I'm gonna say that now. And y'all said I missed something at the end of this song. Let's see what I missed. I'm gonna redeem myself. Some spiritual stuff. Yeah, this.
I think this might be the sound.
That's what I missed. He spoke in English. I think this might be the song. Hold on. What?
I think this might be the sound.
The song or the song? Like the song, like the old song? That's fire. He can speak English? Why not make a song in English? Change up the game. Two-Way should do that. That's an easy hit right there. If you make a song in English. Cause y'all said he had some he went to school for English or something like that, right? I forgot. I gotta read the comments over. Or y'all just comment down below and tell me. Cause y'all said that's how he know English. He went to school or he had a tutor. So y'all said something like that. Y'all said something. Y'all gotta let me know again. You know, comment down below how he know English. You know what I'm saying? Cause I need to know. That's crazy. He really just spoke English right there. And that's what I missed. He talked one, bro. He talked. This video different. Oh, man. 30 prom. That's fire. And they got the credits at the end. What? And these just the credits, right? Yeah, that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And he got more videos coming. We out.